Hi everyone! In this video you will learn how to position yourself effectively as a tank in Overwatch. Understand your role. Know whether you're a aim tank like Reinhardt or Orisa or an off tank like Zarya and play accordingly. Stay in front. Main tank should lead the charge, positioning themselves between their team and the enemy. Use cover wisely. Always be near cover to quickly retreat or shield yourself if under heavy fire. Prioritize high ground. Control high ground whenever possible to gain better sightlines and deny it from the enemy. Protect your supports. Position to intercept flankers and protect your healers from harm. Maintain line of sight. Ensure your team can see and support you. Avoid getting too far ahead or behind. Play around objectives. Position yourself to contest or defend objectives effectively. Communicate with your team. Coordinate positioning with your team to maximize effectiveness. Adapt to your team composition. Adjust your positioning based on whether your team is dive, brawl, or poke oriented. Punish enemy positioning. Position yourself to punish overextended enemies or those out of position. Feel for your team. Use your abilities to protect teammates under threat, especially supports. Manage ULT economy. Position conservatively when you have a crucial ultimate to protect. Scout ahead. Use your mobility, if applicable, to scout enemy positions and report back to your team. Create crossfire. Position to create crossfire with your DPS to pressure the enemy team from multiple angles. Stay mobile. Don't stay stationary. Move around to avoid becoming an easy target for snipers or flankers. Be aware of flank routes. Understand where enemies might flank from and position to deny or counter their approach. Use choke points. Control choke points to limit the enemy's movement and create favorable engagements. Rotate with your team. Move as a unit with your team to maintain cohesion and maximize effectiveness. And that's how to position yourself effectively as a tank in Overwatch. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.